channel. Hey guys, this is my new Lego Candy Machine version 5, which I made a couple of days ago. Here is a quick 360 look. Okay, the button is locked. Can't shake anything out. Button's still locked. Anything under 25 cents will reject. So, reject. And nickels too. Button's still locked. Now, take a quarter, put it in the coin slot, push, and pull. And there I have it. My candy.
Nope.
It holds 8 rounds, but I do not have a lot of candy, like these pieces left, so I can only hold one. To reload, all you have to do is take off the top piece and put in your candy. Sorry, put in your candy.
Squeeze my finger with a little.
To get the coins out, you can't. What you do, you take tweezers and give me a sec. Pull it out. There you have it. My Lego Candy Machine version 5. Please thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks.